What's up guys, today we are back in Arista Taman Gaya, and then this unit is a sub-sale, it's also pending to sell. So the owner already spent more than 1 million just to renovate his house. And then for this house, right, it's a semi-D 40x80. So you can see the landscaping, everything, they already done very well. So let's go inside and see first. Let's go. Okay, so you can see one center, you want to park 2, 3, 4 car, also not an issue. If you want 2 Wildfire, also spacious itself. So beside here, you can see the owner also do some landscaping for you already, so you don't need to spend much on the renovation. So you are buying the location, the renovation, and the house design. So for this inside, I could say it's much more better than the last time. And then for this house, right, it's also like a showroom design already. So when you enter here, you can see all the wall, the shoe cabinet all done for you already. So inside here, the main door is open to 2 areas. It's a big door. So one center, you can see inside. How does it look like? Okay, you can see all the design here. It's very like a showroom, right? So it's a mix of feng shui, wooden, a modern design, and some Buddhist. Okay, so you can see they already spent their time designing everything, and then you can see the fan even match with their wooden furniture. Okay, here is a wooden table again. So this owner is very romantic because they built a room specifically just for wine chit-chat place. Okay, you can see this is a wine cellar. Okay, then small detail you can see even the plug they do like this. Okay, so downstairs we'll have 1 bedroom, and then this bathroom is attached with the toilet. So you can make this into your guest room or for your parents' one. Okay, the toilet is over there. Okay, then come to behind here. This is a collection, everything of the owner. Then we will go behind here first. So this is a kitchen area. So on the kitchen area here, on your behind there is 1 bedroom, or you can make into a storeroom, and then a toilet. This is a storeroom. Okay, and a bedroom. So come inside here. They didn't build like separate into wet kitchen or dry kitchen. They just do all the kitchen together, like you see. Wet and dry all together, but they built an additional outside here. Not to say what is this space, but you can chill over here, you can chit chat, or you can make this in the living room. And they even have their pets over there. Okay, and then small detail you can see up there, all this window, right, from here, this side, they do a darker tinted. At the outside there, they do a lighter tinted. So you can see they really spend their time to do the renovation and design themselves. So we will go to the second floor to see. Okay, so we come to their second floor. So on second floor, you can see this is a 4 bedroom and then 3 bathroom plus a small living room. So for living room, you can see small detail like this one. Their plug already okay, for this one, so it's more easier for you to plug in. And then upstairs here you can see they do a full size window, so you can let the sunlight to come in. It's much more easier, and then you don't need to do more lighting. So this is the master. We will see the last. We come to their first bedroom first. So this is a small bedroom which is for your children, and then you can see all the design very nicely, and then even plug already do international plug. Okay, and then dressing table, everything got already. So then this is the second bedroom. Once you enter, you can see a man's hood. Okay, computer, laptop, everything designed, nice gaming table, nice gaming chair, everything. So nicely done already. You don't need to do much renovation. So the sharing toilet is actually overside here. Okay, so one toilet need to share lah. Then beside here, this is the 3rd bedroom with an attached bathroom over here. Okay, so all the water heater also included already. So as mentioned, you just need to bring your clothes, bring your everything else to come in already. So you can see also here again, even like now it's around 5 PM, the light still very bright. You don't need to open much light. So we come to the master. For master, you can see very spacious. Okay, even this is a king size bed, still very sufficient enough. And then ladies, you can see their wardrobe got many, from that side up to this side. Okay, all is your wardrobe. And then over here they have a bathtub lah, same as last time. So you can see here, actually over here, the owner already do an extension because originally this will be the balcony for yours. So outside here, this is the outside already lah. Then the owner extend everything, then become another storage for you and then TV. So you can make this into your small office and others thing lah. Okay, that's about it for this subset unit. Arista at Taman Gaya. It's a semi-D 40x80 and the location is located in Taman Gaya, accessible to Pasir Gudang, Taman Austin. It's very accessible to all the hotter space. So for this unit, the owner listing price is 2.28. So if you like to know more or you want to see the unit yourself, you can comment or contact me. I will see you in the next video. Remember to like, subscribe and share.